Hi guys, this is Ruhi, and today I want to share with you this very exciting shopping experience that I had at the Restoration Hardware in New York City in the meatpacking district. It was an incredible experience. We started the experience with an amazing brunch at the cafe on the 5th floor. I usually go to Restoration Hardware for a lot of my clients who purchase homes and need some design help. Restoration is amazing at working with me to decorate my clients' homes with layouts and all that sort of thing. So I thought I would share this video with you. I hope you like it. Please make sure if you like content like this to like and subscribe, and I appreciate you. I'm at the Restoration Hardware Mansion in Chelsea in New York, and it is so stunning. It's got all of my favorite furniture, and I love the little vignettes. If you want to know what a vignette is when you've got rooms set up and you are showcasing the rooms. So I want to be able to show you some of these rooms. And I had a gorgeous lunch upstairs on the rooftop patio that they have. I highly recommend making reservations before going. So there are 5 levels here. The 5th level is the rooftop patio where you can enjoy brunch, breakfast, lunch, dinner. I do love the rain. It looks so pretty outside. For my clients who want a large sectional in their living room, this would be what I would recommend. And you see they're broken into different pieces, so it's not like you buy the sectional in one piece. We would configure it to your room. This is kind of where you walk in through the front doors. This is rattan. It's a rainy day in New York. For all my design people, look at all these gorgeous pillows. I'm going to show you some beautiful vignettes of different sectionals and furniture pieces and kind of give you an idea of what it looks like around me. Okay, and we are only on the 3rd floor, people. This is just a lot more lighter and brighter, and I don't think I have to use my flash here. But I'm gonna get an idea of how light it is. And again, I have a lot of you asking me, how do I layer when I make my bed? How do we do it? So you've got 2 large pillows on the back, and then another 2, and then another 2, and this big pillow. That would make my husband insane. You know, Restoration Hardware is one of those places that does your design for you, and they don't charge anything, which is quite awesome. You can literally pick out whatever you want, sit down with someone, and I have been able to sit with someone and help plan their house for them. And you know, I knew their tastes and I knew what they wanted. They didn't want to sit with someone. Look at those bookends. Like, that is just gorgeous. Love those lamps. I've got a piece similar to this. Ooh la la. What is this? This is Chanel. Oh, look at this book. Absolutely. Chanel, how did I know? Ooh. Here's a famous restoration cloud couch. So I've ordered this for clients and suggested it, but they find it too deep. I think it's amazing. It's extremely comfortable. And now we move away from the whites and more into kind of a velvet suede kind of look. I don't know what it is. Is it velvet? Is it suede? Oh, it's like more like a velvet. Gorgeous. And you notice how the lighting is different in here too. It's more yellow. It's got more yellow hues. Now, if you've worked with me and you do listings with me, you know I always recommend doing white hues, natural light, just because it brightens up your space. And obviously none of us have homes, well, some of us have homes, but none of us have homes this large. So having a natural light makes a big difference instead of a yellow light. So you've got an array of your catalogs here as well, which is very cool. A fainting couch. I always wonder why they're called fainting couch. I'm sure there's some wonderful history. It's probably something to do with Cleopatra. It's my guess. We just did a full tour. I had a lovely brunch lunch here with some friends from Artistry Real Estate. We're here for a conference, and we decided to show you the restoration hardware flagship store, the mansion, and just kind of let you have a look at it. I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to like and subscribe for a lot more fun content, including obviously what we do, which is real estate.